What's up, YouTube? About to post this video on the unboxing of the Nintendo Classic. Finally got our hands on one after about 6 months it's been out. Boom. Last one at GameStop. Called and they hooked us up. So let's open it. Comment down below if you like this video. Like it. Give me a thumbs up if you want more videos like this.
Subscribe. I got it.
We got another nice little Nintendo controller. An extension. Boom. For the late nights. You know what I'm saying? Especially during Easter break.
And the box.
There you go.
Here, this is me talking. Oh, stop.
Stop, Poppy.
I want to be in the video.
Come get some action, Poppy.
Hi. Stop. Here we go. Now you see the remote.
We got some, for all you old guys who know what this is, got the old school game, Nintendo, NES, Nintendo Entertainment System, with 30 of their best games. Let me read some off for you guys.
Donkey Kong, Super Mario,
Mega Man 2, all the Super Marios, Castlevania, Ninja Gaiden, Legend of Punch-Out, Legend of Zelda, Balloon Fight, Bubble Bobble, Donkey Kong Jr., Tecmo Bowl. Who wants some Tecmo Bowl? Let's do this Tecmo Bowl.
And then look, another remote. 2 remotes.
Pac-Man, bitches.
Wait, let me see enough. 2 controllers. Oh, I think this is for, like, switching off the game. No. Here comes second controller.
The white one. That's pretty groovy, huh?
So it already came with a controller, and we got a second controller. It was
two button controller. Who plays with 2 buttons nowadays, huh? Got some Star Wars in the background. Rogue One.
Don't let them see Star Wars.
Say goodbye, bitches.
Goodbye, and guys. Bitches.
Comment down.